Hey folks, this is Anupam back again. After my video last time about how to get AI-based insights from SAP using uh, our chat-like interface, some of the users had reached out and said, "How do we do this with Copilot?" And there were questions like, do we need to be on S/4HANA or cloud or any of this? I'll I'll share today, how we can use any of the SAP systems. You don't need to be on S/4HANA or on the cloud or Rise or whatever. How you can hook up your SAP with Copilot and really dynamically get the insights as well as verifiable at source information. I feel that's pretty important for us that we not only get the insights but are able to verify. So, just stepping back, this is the video which I dropped earlier. You will find this, and I'll drop the link also in the text. Basically, on a user, request, get me a list of material documents from ERP and highlight top 3 actionable insights. It goes and determines what SAP report is needed, and based on that, it goes ahead and runs the report, gets the data, fetches the insights, as well as gets the actual information uh, from SAP report, which is MB51. If you are interested, it's our favorite materials document list, the MB51 report. And basically, we are running it for the variant and getting this output from SAP. The helpful part is obviously, it not only gets this information dynamically, you don't have to remember MB51 or T code, it understands and infers what you need and runs it. And not only runs the report, but also provides the inferences as well as the base underlying data. So this becomes, pretty much verifiable at source intelligence. Now we'll see how we can get similar insights, but in Microsoft Copilot. So I'm going to my Copilot. What I did was to basically create a flow, and as you can see with the flow, basically, it is calling the agent using a REST API, parsing through the response, and since these Microsoft flows, they can send data to multiple channels, and there's some delay between request and response. I was playing around with how we can get this data posted to a Teams channel. So pretty much, same input and output, but we are asking it to go and paste that in a Teams channel. There's multiple ways you could generate a file. You could be sending an email, etc. All of those are Microsoft Copilot features. So if I run this, and use the same input as we have put in our chat box, and run the flow. So what it is doing now is basically running the same agent in the background from Microsoft Copilot, and then running, understanding which report it needs to run. Once it understands this MB51 report, gets and runs that report inside our SAP, and then parses through the data to generate AI-based insights. Some of those might be, relevant insights. From whatever I have seen, some of this is something not I would have easily garnered from looking at tables of data. So, high value procurement, concentration risk, e-commerce returns, inefficiency, cross plant, cost variance across different plants. It will get this information and parse through it, get the intelligence, and then it will also put it in a Teams chat. So if I go to my Teams, and I think this is the one which it has generated. So basically the same insight, top 3 actionable insights, material document summary, significant cost variance, and e-commerce returns. And also it has given all the listing from the SAP report. So this kind of makes it verifiable. What people would be doing is to feed this snapshot into some automation engine, or just providing alerts. So basically, working with the Copilot here, what we could do is to give it a simple chat-like input, run through the agent, and generate the insights which are verifiable at source. Basically going and understanding what the user wants, mapping it to which SAP report and SAP system we should run dynamically, get the data, get the insights, and provide something which is verifiable for the user. So that's it. I just thought I'll drop this video for those who are interested. I hope you find this useful.